So, I just got my delivery in from TJ Maxx. I ordered a couple of lanterns online. They were on sale. So, let's take a look at the product. Comes in this big box. It's all padded in. Let me take out the contents real quick. And then I will unwrap the lanterns for you so you could see them. Okay, so let's see. Open this up real quick. Dun da da da! So it's by a brand named Nova, and it is kind of like a bronze gold, black, not too, it feels very sturdy. It's not too, it doesn't feel cheap at all. It actually feels very heavy, which is great. That's what I want. I want to have something durable that can hold, that has some weight on the bottom, so when you put in a candle or something, it doesn't feel dinky or won't knock around or anything, especially if you decide to use this outside, which I don't think this has a coating on it to be used outside, so what I would do is just use it outside if I have guests over or something, and then bring it back in after. So let's unwrap this one real quick. It's like Christmas morning. Here's the other set, or the other item. There's a small scratch right there, but won't be noticeable after I put in a candle. Let me check to see if I have any big candles I can stick in here. I can show you guys what it looks like when it's lit up, okay? Be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I didn't have the large white candles that I was looking for, so I'm going to probably go out and get some of those, but I found these fall colored candles that will work just for placeholders, just kind of show you how it works. I'm going to start off by cutting off the tack first so it does not burn when I light the candles. Okay, I'm going to place the candles inside the little lantern area. So with these candles, you can actually do the fake candles. There's some, I think there's a brand that I'll link to that I've seen in person, and it actually does look very, very real. It looks like a real candle until you get up close to it. I also think it's, I think it comes with a remote, so it is remote operated. But also, you can also just do the traditional candles. With this color scheme, since I don't really have anything that matches this yellowish gold marigold color, I would just probably buy some large white candles. But this size is actually pretty good, so I'd probably stick with this size, but just do it in white instead. So let me light the candles real quick. And there it is. If you can see that, I lit the candle. And so I'll probably stick these, I'll find a place to put it in my house. If you follow along on Instagram at happiness.co, you'll see stills, Instagram stills of shots of my house, and I'm going to do a still shot of these when I find a place for it too. So follow along, and I will see you guys later.